subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
LG has launched its new affordable smartphone in the US called LG Harmony 4, and it looks quite identical to LG K40s smartphone that was launched in August last year. Talking about the specifications, the LG Harmony 4 features a 6.1-inch full vision display with HD Plus resolution. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unknown 2 GHz octa-core processor paired with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage that can be further expandable via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the LG Harmony 4 supports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes 13 megapixel main camera and 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. For selfies, it has 8 megapixel camera under the water drop notch. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box, and it packs 3500 mAh battery that is set to offer up to 12 hours of talk time. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 156.21 by 74.16 by 8.63 mm, and it weighs around 173 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Harmony 4 has been priced in the US at $139, and it is now available for purchase in the country via Cricket Wireless website. So, what do you guys think of this LG Harmony 4 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.